This video is about Peregrino Sienes Time, decimal units of time. Decimal per hour, decimal per minutes, decimal per seconds. So before to proceed, Peregrino Sienes Time, the future chronograph. So here is a clock illustration. Peregrino Sienes Time clock illustration. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Then 1 is 10 periseconds or 10 periminutes. Then 2 is 20 periseconds or 20 periminutes. Then 3 is 30 periseconds or 30 periminutes. And the 4 is 40 periseconds or 40 periminutes. And the 5 is 50 periseconds or 50 periminutes. And the 6 is 60. The 7 is 70. The 8 is 80. The 9 is 90. And the 10 is 100. The Peregrino Sienes Time clock have only 10 o'clock. And the time is 6:44:17 Peregrino Sienes Time. Or 6 hours, 44 minutes, and 17 seconds. In the Peregrino Sienes Time, 100 seconds is equal to 1 minute. And 100 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So, 1 minute is composed of 100 second. And 1 hour is composed of 100 minutes. Okay. The full day of the Peregrino Sienes Time. 1 full day is 20 hours. 1 full day is 2,000 minutes. And 1 full day is 200,000 seconds. Okay. So, let's proceed to the decimal per hour. No? The decimal per hour. 0.0123456789 per hour, or 1 per minute, or 23 per second, or 456 milli per seconds, and 789 micro per seconds. So, why this equivalent happen? Where this equivalent come from? The explanation is this. Okay. The next smaller unit of per hour is per minute. Then 1 per hour is equal to 100 per minutes. So, decimal per hour multiply by 100 or move 2 decimal places to the right. So, the product is 1.23456789 per minute. So we have now 1 per minute and 0.23456789 per minute remaining. So, put aside a 1 per minute, then the remaining is 0.23456789 per minute. Okay. So, we have now 1 per minute from the decimal per hour. Okay. Next. The smaller unit than per minute is per second. Then 1 per minute is equal to 100 per seconds. So multiply decimal per minute to 100 or move 2 decimal places to the right, and the product is 23.456789 periseconds. So we have now 23 periseconds from the decimal per minute. Then put aside at 23 perisecond, and the remaining is 0.456789 periseconds. Okay. The remaining is 4, 4, 4, 0.456789. Okay. And we have now 1 per minute, 23 periseconds from the decimal per hour. Okay. The smaller unit than perisecond is milliperisecond. Then 1 perisecond is 1,000 milliperiseconds. So multiply the decimal perisecond to 1,000 or move 3 decimal places to the right, and the product is 456.789 milliperiseconds. Then put aside a 456 mil. Okay, put aside a 456 milliperiseconds. Then the remaining is 0.789 milliperiseconds. So we have now 1 per minute, 23 periseconds, 456 milliperiseconds from the decimal per hour. Okay. The next unit of time is smaller than a milliperisecond is microperisecond. Then 1 milliperisecond is 1,000 microperisecond. So multiply the decimal milliperisecond to 1,000 and to 1,000 or move 3 decimal places to the right, and the product is 789 microperisecond. So the overall equivalent 0.0123456789 per hours or 1 per minute, 23 periseconds, 456 milliperiseconds, and 789 microperiseconds. So, the advantage of the Peregrino Sienes Time is you can easily calculate the time manually or by using calculator, because the Peregrino Sienes Time is decimalized time and metric time. So, that's all, and thank you so much.